Okay, everyone, I have set up a 4 week overhaul of your content for December. So basically, it gets your ass kicked and ready for 2025. I'm doing it for myself, so I wanted to offer it to my followers as well. So, whether if you are basically considering a career as an influencer, a content creator, a UGC creator, anything where you basically have to reach out to clients to ask for work, videographers, photographers, this all comes under the banner of basically getting your shit together for 2025 and promoting yourself so that you've got clients for the new year. I do this with myself every year because it helps me to understand where am I in my business, how is my content performing, what content performs better, or what tactic of contacting clients works better, etc., etc. So I do a little overview every not an overview, sorry, an overhaul every November, December. So this year I'm doing it in December, and I will be releasing a video every week with a different subject for you to kind of spend that week basically building yourself up ready so that come January, you are contacting clients and you are getting yourself gigs. And I really hope this helps you. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I will do my best to answer everything.